Are you looking for the best trimmer line? Here we will break down the top 7 best trimmer lines on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Oregon 22-895 Magnum Gatorline Square Trimmer Line. This line is compatible with all types of trimmers that use a 0.095-inch line in diameter. The outer layer of this line keeps it from welding over your machine and sticking to itself. The interior layering resists heavy impacts and damage, so you're set to go on more high-intensity jobs. The excellent strength of this line is complemented with long reliable life to aid you in your trimming needs. There is a platinum gatorline option that comes in the color of blue. It has an armored exterior that protects it from mere problems that conquer other normal trimmer lines. Magnum comes in 3 shapes: round, square, and super twist. This trimmer line is made from dual polymer, heavy duty and professional. The standard gatorline is made out of 100% virgin raw material copolymer. It can fit inside of all standard trimmer heads, and comes with a user-friendly donut. This comes in the shape of square and circular. At number 2. Dewalt DW01 DT800 2-string trimmer line. If you're looking for the best light-duty trimmer line on the market today, this is the trimmer line for you. Made out of flexible, impact-resistant materials, this trimmer line is as strong of a thin trimmer line as you're going to find. It measures in at 0.08 inches in diameter, making it the perfect size for light-duty tasks, such as evening out the close edges of grass, next to mulch beds. Coming in a spill of 225 feet, this trimmer line is available for a downright decent price. A wound-style line, it's tough and capable of slicing through grass, weeds, and otherwise with little to no hesitance. At number 3. Black+decker trimmer line. The F103ZP by Black+decker will provide you with an ample supply of string to ensure that you can always trim your garden anytime you want. It is a pack of 3 replacement spools, and so it will be a long time before you need to buy new lines for your trimmer. Each of these spools contains 30 feet of trimmer line with a diameter of 0.065 inch. Also, the factory winding of the spools offers more reliability and convenience. Each spool on this Black+decker product is weatherable to ensure that you can use it regardless of the season. The replacement spool system makes sure that you do not waste a lot of time hand winding the line. Feeding the trimmer as you cut your grass is also very easy, because the spool utilizes centrifugal force to make it an automatic process. Finally, the company backs this spool with a 2-year warranty. At number 4. Worx WA00106 Pack Replacement Trimmer Line. The Worx trimmer line is an innovative and patented design. The helix structure makes it more durable than just string alternatives. The helix structure is constructed with copolymer nylon resin. This means that the line is exceptionally flexible and pliable. The line can withstand force against hard objects, such as a wall or gravel, without sustaining too much damage. This line is made purely for efficiency and time saving. If you have a Worx trimmer, you can change the lines out in a matter of seconds. There is no reason to hand roll your own. The shape of the line has been designed and manufactured to lessen drag, increase aerodynamics, and make cutting and trimming far more efficient. The tool also gives an exceptionally clean and even cut, ensuring equal regrowth of the area you have trimmed. The high level of engineering is worth it when you look at your evenly trimmed verges and borders. At number 5. Maxpower 333665 roundcut trimmer line. The Maxpower 333665 line is ideal for people who only need to do light chores around their yard with a line trimmer. It is best for trimming high grass that is light, small weeds, and other light greenery. The line has a basic shape, so it rips up what you are cutting instead of slicing through it. Its thinness will not put a lot of stress on your line trimmer. It is relatively sturdy for its size. You can do a fair amount of work before you need to replace the line. However, it is not for use with a thick brush or any type of wood. You can use it to edge your lawn if you only need moderate precision. At number 6. Cyclone 0.155-inch by 315-foot commercial trimmer line. Whether you are a landscaping professional and you are in dire need of a strong trimmer line, then the Cyclone commercial trimmer line is certainly one product that you can count on easily. You will fall in love with its 6-bladed shape, which helps to deliver optimal cutting power and performance. You can make use of this line with a trimmer that measures 0.65 inch in diameter, and it is also ideal to use for high wheel trimmers. Durability and maximum strength are some of the features that are associated with the Cyclone commercial trimmer line, thanks to its copolymer nylon construction, while its unique 6-blade shape guarantees a high cutting performance. At number 7. Weed Warrior bi-component twist trimmer line. Being the cheapest item among our trimmer line reviews, the Weed Warrior 17068 is built to ensure you get a high-quality replacement line without spending much money. Besides the affordable price tag, many users will also love its universal fit, as it will work for both curved and straight shaft trimmers, and also for electric, gas, and battery-powered models. This inexpensive trimmer line also features a unique aerodynamic twist shape that helps to minimize drag, so that you can have longer run times with no downtimes. With the bi-component design, this trimmer line will also offer more flexibility, and it also includes hardened corners to make it more durable. And it will be ideal for use when both trimming and edging. While some weed whackers might still seem to eat up the trimmer line quite fast, for most compatible string trimmers, this should be a long-lasting line.